EB-2. 5 Steps to Building a Strong National Interest Waiver Case.
Greetings. I am Attorney Edwin Fogam. I have been practicing immigration and other areas of the law in the United States for the past 28 years. I have been assisting families, individuals, and businesses to navigate the complex U.S. immigration system. Today, I would like us to look at EB-2 National Interest Waiver and 5 steps to creating a strong national interest waiver case. EB-2 employment-based national interest waiver petitions are petitions that can be filed by foreign nationals to obtain a green card in the United States if they can demonstrate 3 things. These are the Dhanasar requirements. First, that their endeavor or work has substantial merit and is national in scope. Secondly, that they are well positioned to continue that endeavor in the United States. And thirdly, that on balance, it will be beneficial to the national interest of the United States to waive the labor certification or job offer requirement. Now, this is a very powerful and advantageous way to obtain permanent residency because, first of all, you don't require an employer. Secondly, you don't require going through the labor certification process, and it can also be very quick, and you can apply or petition for your beneficiaries as well. However, there are some challenges, especially now that the standards or the requirements have been enhanced. The first is that to create a strong case, you must first of all demonstrate your work, that your work has substantial merit, that is, articulate exactly what you are doing and the difficulties and the national interest implication in your work. Secondly, you must show by your petition that your work has national implication, and you can do this by submitting documentation of impact, national impact, and other documentation to that effect. Third, you must show that it will be beneficial to the national interest of the United States to waive the labor certification. Now, the labor certification process and the job offer requirement is meant to protect American workers. However, if you can demonstrate that there's a shortage and that there are some urgent needs that would be beneficial to the national interest of the United States, then those requirements can be waived. And fourth, you must be able to show that you are well positioned to continue your work. Because if you don't have plans and other things that will show how you continue your work in the United States, then that will not be beneficial to the national interest of the United States. And finally, and most importantly, you have to document all of these and evidence to prove this. Now, what are these? These can be recommendation letters, your credentials, objective evidence of impact, national implication, other publications, research materials, and so on. This particular petition is very creative. You can actually be very creative in preparing this petition. So with these 5 steps, taking them into consideration and looking at the Dhanasar requirement, you can prepare a strong national interest waiver petition based on EB-2. So I hope this was helpful to you. And if this video was helpful to you, please share it and follow us to benefit from other topics that we regularly present. And don't forget, don't fear the system, understand it, work with it, and benefit from it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.